Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to send video from camera roll on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos. We also have, as you can see, stories. We have the camera, and in the bottom left corner, we have your location and your chats. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and send video from camera roll on Snapchat. It is super simple guys, so just follow these few steps to know how to do it. To send a video from your camera roll as a snap on Snapchat, follow these steps. So open Snapchat and go to the camera screen. After that, swipe up to access memories. And then under the camera roll tab, find the video you want to share. When you have found the video that you want to share, or of course the photo that you want to share, press and hold on the video/photo. After you press on the video/photo, select what you want to do with it, such as sending it to a friend, or adding it to your story, or adding it to your camera roll, or wherever you of course want. You can send it to email or whichever platform you would like. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.